Once upon a time there was a little boat who launched into the sea to find love, for he had just found misery on earth. He traveled across beautiful scenery and thought he found peace in loneliness. But then came the storm, harsh and powerful, like the following windy rain, and he found himself surrounded by nothing but devastation and sadness. Soon he came upon a monkey that decided to take the journey with him, but was shortly joined by another one, and the first monkey, unwilling to share, fought with the second one, and they both fell into the water. Little Boat continued his journey alone in the dark nights. That way, he found harmony in the foggy nature. But the furious ravens made him stumble along the way. Little Boat sailed across villages, being unnoticed or helped. And he was beginning to lose hope. While he crossed the dry and evaporated desert, he came across a hopeless soldier. Little Boat saved his life and regained confidence, thinking he made a new friend. But he soon found out he was mistaken, as humans were ungrateful and ruthless, and were shot and bombed with no mercy. Injured Little Boat continued his way through snowy nights, wild and choppy seas, was beaten by whales and swallowed by dark, raging oceans, until he was facing the water and broken to pieces. But he never gave up. Shattered and torn up as he was, he got the courage to survive, held on to the last ray of hope he had, and carried on his journey. Slowly and unsteadily he got to the same past village, where a woman looked at Little Boat with shock, as it was not possible that it kept floating. She added a piece of clothing to his sail so the wind could blow him better. Then Little Boat found the previous selfish monkeys, who were fighting again over a lost sign. Both looked at him amazed and fixed some of his deck with the sign. Little Boat was beginning to be hopeful when he came along the way with the war zone. Timidly he glided across it, under the astonished eyes of the soldiers, who ceased fire, and fixed Little Boat. He was unbelievably gratified. But it wasn't until birds sought his sail when he reached happiness. He had found love in every single person who helped him keep going. His journey was over and he learned a valuable lesson. We make mistakes, but it's never too late to mend them.